Magandang hapon po ng November 21, 2023 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 21, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 155 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 145 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 10 million pesos for Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.